Cervia is providing automated, accurate, and accessible cervical cancer screening in low-resource areas. Compared to current cervical cancer screening protocols, Cervia provides an objective analysis to clinicians to aid them in their diagnoses.
Parsagon is a natural language parser which converts the way you write math into mathematical script, and then it converts that script to mathematical language of your choice.
Lemur Dynamics is a company developing a logistics framework based on high payload, high range fixed-wing drones to solve the last mile problem of medical supply delivery in Africa and other developing countries.
My parents owned a chain of mom and pop stores, and it didn't take very long to figure out that they were behind the technology curve. The solution I came up with was to design a digital billboard to help with in-store advertising.
As first years, we've noticed a big problem with on-campus dining. Currently, students have two options. They can eat at dining halls or they can eat out. Dining halls can be really repetitive and tasteless, and eating out is expensive and also unhealthy. So what we've created is Bites.
Bites is an app that connects people who are looking for cheap, healthy, and tasty alternative dining options with people who are interested in cooking to make some extra cash.
Currently there are devices and medical testing procedures that do incorporate similar technologies, but there's no single platform where all of this information is used to communicate directly to the patient's doctor.
With OxCare, for the first time ever, patients with Parkinson's disease are going to be able to provide their doctors with data that is both accurate and objective in real time.
One of the customer's problems, we go to an amazing school like Columbia. There's incredible events happening all the time. You really only find out about them if you're on the correct listserv for the correct club.
Pulse is a Reddit for campus events. We automatically aggregate events from the hundreds of departments and clubs and centers around campus, and we provide it to the school community in one accessible format.
Our maiden voyage was in Xi'an, China. Our drone circled for 20 kilometers, then it reached a destination around 3 kilometers away. It spiraled for a little bit, and then dropped a dummy package of 10 pounds of water.
So we're going to use the $25,000 to fund our R&D efforts, both in the hardware platform and continuing to iterate upon our software systems.
Entrepreneurship is important for a computer scientist because it makes us actually focus not only on the product that we're making, but on the actual application and making sure that we actually are able to affect the lives of consumers with the products that we create.
Yeah, if we're lucky enough to win $25,000 for this project, what we're going to do is we're going to start making it into a real product that can help people.
Sure, if we're lucky enough to win $25,000, we definitely would give a great thank you for all the support and working regardless if we win or not.
Like this, or